Hey there, and welcome to You Can Uke, where each week I'm releasing new song tutorials so that you can learn how to play the ukulele with success. So if you don't want to miss a lesson, then hit that subscribe button, like this video, and get ready to play Intentions by Justin Bieber featuring Quavo. Now before we can play this song, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. By the way, if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 3 chords that we need to know in order to play this song, and those chords are F major, D minor, and B flat major. If you know how to play those 3 chords, then great job. Feel free to skip ahead to the later portion of this lesson. So the first chord that we're going to learn to play is F major. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, then take your 2nd finger and press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret. This is F major. The next chord is D minor. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, then take your 3rd finger and press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. This is D minor. And the last chord for the song is B flat major. To play that, take your 1st finger, press down on the 2nd string of the 1st fret, take your 2nd finger, press down on the 1st string of the 1st fret, take your 3rd finger, press down on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, then take your 4th finger and press down on the 4th string of the 3rd fret. This is B flat major. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 16 beats, D minor for 12 beats, and B flat major for 4 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, down, up, tap, down, up. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the F major chord. Down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up, down, down, up, tap, down, up. And now let's apply the chords with that string pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Intentions. Already passed, you don't need no approval. Good everywhere, don't worry about no refusal. Second to none, you got the upper hand now. Don't need no sponsor, nope, you're the brand now. You're my rock, my Colorado. Get that ring, just like Toronto. Love you now, a little more tomorrow. That's how I feel, act like you know that you are. Picture perfect, you don't need no filter. Gorgeous, make him update, you a killer. Shower you with all my attention. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen, cooking up, got your own bread. Heart full of equity, you're an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Intentions. And that's how you play Intentions by Justin Bieber featuring Quavo. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for allowing me to showcase their ukulele in this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out more of their products. Again, don't forget to subscribe and check out these other tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.